do together.
Well, you know, on paper, Kotoko are favourites, but in terms of form, consistency, points on the table, Nations are favourites.
Yeah, it's true. They are playing well, and we know the opposition we are meeting today, but we are prepared to give them a good game.
Does it always matter when you see your other opponents play before you, in particular Hartlepool, who lost yesterday against Samatex?
No comments.
No comment. But this game, you've got a couple of players missing. Mukwala, your top scorer. Watara, Kalu, I understand, is out. Is it an injury?
Watara is nurturing an injury. Mukwala, as you know, he has been called by the Uganda national team. Asare is also called by Ghana. So, but we have able men there to do the job.
You have able men, but again, you would have to make changes. Some are forced, some are technical. A younger side, a bit of inexperience. I see Isaac Opong is also back.
Yeah, it's a plus to us to see Isaac back. But you could say the young guys have been good so far. Talking about Peter and Bernard, who scored our last goal. I think they are good to go.
And then very finally, how are you handling the pressure? How are you helping the players handle the pressure? It's Kotoko after all, and if you go without a win in about 5 games, that's a lot of pressure.
Yeah, there's no pressure on them. They've been training well, and I think this is a no game for them.
A win?
I can say a win, but we will get a decent result.
Thank you very much, Coach Oklu, always smiling. He says there's no pressure on him, but we'll see what happens on the pitch. And of course, one of the consistent coaches, well-traveled technical brains in Ghana football is also here pitch side with me, and they'll be finding out for him. Pressure for Kotoko in terms of not winning, maybe pressure on Nations in terms of them winning and the position they're in. Coach, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Are you surprised to find that your favourites for this game against Kotoko at Babayara is an away match against the Porcupine Warriors?
I'm not surprised at all. I know. We don't know home and away. Everywhere we go, we play our normal football we've been playing.
How are your players handling the expectations now? People are not really expecting. Now every match, Nations are expected to get a result.
Oh, I've talked to them. I've sacked them up. It's like a normal game we've been playing all week. So they should come down and play their normal game and enjoy the game.
That's what happened in the first game against Kotoko at Abrankese. You know, is it at the back of your mind, at the back of the players' minds?
Oh, we've forgotten about it long time ago. You know, that was their first time playing the Premier League. Now they've matured. They've tasted a lot of it in Premier Division matches. So they've seen what it takes to play Premier Division. So that we've forgotten about it.
People are talking about Samatex Nations being the outsiders to win the league and surprise everybody. You're aware?
I'm aware. But we have to work hard for it. It's not easy. Look at the points gap between us. So we need to work very hard before we can get there.
A win for Nations?
Inshallah, we win.
Inshallah, says the coach. Thank you very much, Coach Bingo. And you see, the pressure is not on